this International Women's Day, we're celebrating our community of over 6,000 women that are breaking the bias across the manufacturing industry. Every day, they are responsible for
delivering a more sustainable tomorrow
through our world-class
now and next sustainability strategy.
We are getting governments to commit
to a more sustainable future.
We are harnessing data
to deliver Industry 4.0.
We're working on impactful engineering projects
to reduce carbon emissions.
We're helping nature by improving biodiversity, protecting species, and creating new areas for communities to enjoy.
We're helping our customers deal with the booming e-com.
We are removing millions of pieces of problem plastics from supermarket shelves.
We are innovating to find solutions to the problems of today,
as well as those in the future.
We're using science
to find alternative materials,
too hard to recycle plastics.
We are selling products to help us transition
the circular economy.
And we're designing the future
of sustainable packaging.
All while educating the next generation on circular economy.
So we leave this planet in a better place than we found it.
Together.
Together.
Together. Together.
We are
redefining packaging.
Redefining packaging.
Redefining packaging.
For a changing world.
For a changing world.
For a changing world.
For a changing world.